Hi, third graders. It's sad having you at home today again instead of in here, but I know that you're going to do your best. We are going to practice more multiplication word problems. You're really looking for that meaning of the word problems, and we're looking to recognize keywords today. So I'm going to share my screen. This is going to look familiar to you if you did a nice job paying attention yesterday. We need to dive into some more of those key multiplication word problems. Now, we read multiplicative word problems just like we would read addition and subtraction word problems. I want you to think to yourself for a second, what are some key words that help us know what we need to do in this word problem? Think to yourself while I read it. Mikkel bought 5 packages of basketball cards. Each package had 3 cards in it. How many cards did he have all together? Packages, 5 packages. Friends, a package is a group of things, right? And we know that that multiplication symbol means groups of. 5 times 3 really means 5 groups of 3, or in this case, 5 packages. So we know that if we see packages or bag or box or anything that holds a group together, it means we need 5 of those things. 5 packages. Those things will hold other things, right? And in this case, it's basketball cards. So here's what that looks like. 5 separate packages, 5 groups. Now, it also says each package had 3 cards in it. Another important part. Each package had 3 cards. Oops, there was Mr. Fort over the announcements. Mikkel bought 5 packages of basketball cards. Each package had 3 cards in it. How many cards did he have in all? Now, we know that that's what this model looks like. Friends, you wouldn't have to draw a model every time. If you notice that it's 5 times 3, and you know that you can skip count to solve that, like I did down here, that's fine. You could choose to skip count by 5s or by 3s. You could do skip counting by 5, 10, 15. Or you could do skip counting by 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Because we know that 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 is equal to the same value. It's equal to the same thing. Look at all of these different ways. Here it is written out. 5 groups of 3. There's my multiplication equation.
1, 2.
5 times 3.
Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3.
Do you hear that, friends? That was Mr. Fort testing the speaker. That's what happens when you stay too late at school, like Miss Bryce. Here's my model. Here's my repeated addition, and here's my skip counting. We did these problems yesterday. You were supposed to look to find those word packages, those words packages or each package. You were supposed to read these for meaning. It's easy enough to memorize multiplication equations, but you're looking for meaning in them and meaning with them. Because we see multiplication in our everyday lives. You could see it at the grocery store when you're buying packages of fruit snacks. You might wonder, how many fruit snacks am I going to get in all if I buy 5 packages of fruit snacks and there's 4 in each package? Right? That's a real life example of when you would need to use multiplication. I use multiplication all the time, and I bet your families do too. Today, you are going to have multiplication word problems of your own to solve for your independent practice. I can't wait to see the work that you do. We'll go over it when we're back in the classroom together on Wednesday. Try your best.